Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited because I just got we just ordered this high chair for baby girl, and I think that this is perfect. I've been eyeing this. This is the Greco Blossom 6-in-1. And here it is in English. Oh, sorry. And so she is just about 3 months, and we just been noticing that she has been showing lots of interest to eat table food. And so a couple days ago, we started her on a jar applesauce, I think, and she did wonderful. So we thought it was a great idea to go ahead and order this on Amazon. It was initially $1.99. I think I bought it for $1.18. So that's pretty dope. It's 6-in-1, so it sort of grows with them. One of the reasons why we decided to go with this Greco Blossom, now we were looking at a few other, one of which was the Maxi Cozy high chair. But what we learned from the issue is that based on the simple fact that she's just about 3 years old and she's not sitting by herself, but we are still interested in introducing table foods to her, it is a great idea to find a high chair that reclines. So this is one of the reclining high chairs. I also like the fact that you could raise it and lower it. Anyway, so this is just a basic intro. I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm going to put it together. I'm just going to show you guys how it works. What I forgot to mention is the price difference between the Greco and the Maxi Cozy. I believe the Maxi Cozy was about $249. The Greco on sale was $118. And
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da da la da da. La da 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 dee da da la da 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 la da la da da. La da la da 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 da.
Give it to me like.
Oh, that's awesome, Daddy. How do you do that?
Okay, so my husband finally had the opportunity to put the whole thing together, and he's just sort of demonstrating how the recline feature works, which is pretty cool. Also, this is the I guess you heighten or lower the seat according to, I guess wherever you guys are sitting. What I do appreciate about this high chair is that if we're at the dinner table and we want her to sit beside us, we're able to raise it and lower it as we see fit. Okay, so this is the final step, having baby, and she's a little hungry, y'all, so forgive her. So she's sitting so perfectly. Like I said, she's only 11 weeks now. And, ugh. Okay, sweetie pie. Okay, sweetie pie. Okay. I know. And, the chair is not in the recline mode. It is upright, so it's perfect. As you can see, it's hugging her perfectly. She's sitting up perfectly. So okay. So right now she's eating some carrots, and I think she's enjoying it. Okay. It's okay. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It was a long video. What should have took 15 minutes took well over 2 hours, I think, y'all. Stop and go. Life of a mom of 3. All right, precious pumpkin. But we made it. You got your chair. You look so precious in it. Thanks so much, guys. See you until next time. Bye.